Hello and welcome. What we'll be looking at today is how you as the administrator can add a brand new category of items available for purchase to the system and then add an unlimited number of items into that category. And then also feature this new list on any page within your website. And in our case, we'll just go ahead and add this new price list into our about page. So the first thing we'll want to do is head over into the administrative section, and we'll just go under e-commerce and departments. This is where we are going to create our new grouping, and that grouping is essential to enable Members Village to now pull your price list onto any page you wish. So we're going to click on new department, and we're just going to call this in kind along with the category name as well. So the code and the category name do have to be specified. We're just going to go ahead and submit that. Now, this is essential just because you will be using the category code and name to pull in that price list into any page on the site through a short code. But for now, let's go over under related and the price list to actually create an item available for purchase. So now that we're looking at the price list of our in-kind department, we'll go ahead and create a new item. And while there are many optional fields that we see here, we'll focus on the required fields just because that is the essentials to actually have a price list item show up and be available for purchase. And we will cover the optional items in another video. So for today, we're going to call this an in-kind donation. The number of cycles is going to be 1 and the unit price is going to be 5. And that is all we need to fill out. So we'll just go ahead and submit, and now we are done. With at least one item, we will now have Members Village actually generate that price list for us. So we'll head over to the content and then pages, and our about page is right here. So we'll just go ahead and modify that. And right within the content area, we will add in our shortcode. Now, a shortcode is just a very specific pattern for Members Village to know, hey, I need to do something here. And in our case, we're going to ask it to display our in-kind price list. Shortcodes will expire once we implement our new block builder, but for now they're definitely still usable within Members Village. So we'll just go ahead here, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put in the format of the shortcode into the description of this video, so you can just grab it from there. But in here it's just mod cart / add, and then in kind. This is the actual code of that category. So at this point, we are done. We've now added in our shortcode within our content. And the nice thing about the shortcode is I can place the shortcode anywhere within my content. So this time I've placed it at the bottom, but I can just cut that out of there. And I'm going to put it within these two, within this paragraph flow. So now it should show up after my first paragraph. So we'll go ahead and submit and just confirm that in fact it will show up after our first paragraph. So if we refresh this page, there is now our price list collection. And we can see here at this point we only have the one item, but this price list is now being displayed in here and available for purchase. So now I, as the customer, would be able to go through the entire checkout process and then finalize my payment and actually purchase this item. And that is how you as the administrator can go about adding in a brand new price list and then adding it to any page within your site. Thanks for watching.